Okay, I am looking at installing a towing hitch on my wife's 2011 GMC Terrain. Some of the YouTube videos I've seen for this installation have a different hitch than I've got, a receiver. So I figured, what the heck, I might as well make my own video, try help. The ones I've seen on YouTube do not have this additional one back here. You got a bolt area for it on the underside of the 2011 GMC Terrain. However, I couldn't find any videos on how to do it. The instructions that come with the receiver hitch here is just oh so good, so it's a little trial and error. And since I think I've got it figured out, I'm going to gladly share it with you and hopefully make it a little bit easier for you. So, anyways, you've got, let me get my pieces in order here, a metal bar with metal piece with your square in it, your bolt, square head, and you got this fancy piece of wire that's coming off of it. It screws right onto the bolt, and then we shove this up into a hole, feed the wire through this, shove this up in the hole, and they all pull together. I've got lucky, I already got it done on that side over yonder. You can see the wire's still kind of hanging out, the bolt's hanging out, and it's in place. I'm going to hope to give you a quick video on how to get this in on this side. So I'll take a quick pause here while I kind of get into place and get the camera reset. Okay. Ow, I banged my head on the receiver underneath. That's always fun. Let me push that out of the way just a hair. So we're dealing with this oval hole right here. I've got the little bolt threaded on the piece of wire. Shove that just up in there. Clean the other end of my wire. Feed my piece of metal through it. Get this to the top here. And it'll barely fit in there, but it will. Yeah, so it falls. You can adjust it a little bit. Getting stuff in my face. Adjust it a little bit so that your square is lined up, and you start pulling your wire, and la-di-da. Now, hopefully that's showing you a good angle of everything. So I got those into place, and now it's just a matter of getting the rest of the bolts in and fastening this sucker down. So this was the piece that confused me. Hopefully I clarified some of the instructions and it helped somebody else out. Nice short video. Enjoy.